Yo, we've got a soundbar from JBL. It's called the Bar 2.0 All-in-One. Looks pretty compact. Let's take a look. Let's get the box of goodies out of the way and just leave those there. We've got the soundbar itself. Let's see what we got in the box here. Pretty nice in the hand, doesn't it? So you got the controls along the top here. JBL branding. I gotta admit, it does feel premium. You've got the grill across the front. Does it go round all the way around the back? No, it doesn't. So it goes almost round, but not quite. You've also got the rubber grips around the bottom here. So one on the right hand side, one on the left hand side here. And you've got your air hole there, and you've got your I/O port. So you've got your HDMI, USB, optical, and power. Very simplistic, as you can see here. So we get the batteries for the remote here. We also get the wall plugs and a couple of screws and some mounts here, as well as the power adapter, which comes with a 2-pin, which is a bit strange because I'm in the UK and I need a 3-pin, but never mind. Also got a pretty hefty HDMI cable here. I've got the JBL 2.0 soundbar here connected up to my Samsung TV via a audio return cable. Now that doesn't mean that this soundbar is limited to whatever I decide to play on my Samsung TV. You can still use it as a Bluetooth speaker on its own. So I can pair this up with my Pixel 4 here and just use it as a speaker in its own right. I use this soundtrack as my alarm in the morning here. So what I'm going to do is set this off and see how loud it is. I'm going to use the remote. So this is Bluetooth with the Pixel 4. Let's go full volume. A very rich and full sound here coming from this 2.0 JBL soundbar. It actually sounds really awesome.
This is another cinema production.
Sweet dreams are made of these.
I'm very happy with this, and this is just a sample of what this JBL 2.0 soundbar can actually do. As ever, links will be down in the description box below if you're after one. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a wicked day, and I'll see you next time.